Today I'm sharing my top 10 Arab fragrances. Hey there, Emmie here. I'm a perfume and beauty lover, and today I want to dive in and share these beautiful Arab fragrances with you. They are affordable, under $40. I'm gonna make sure I leave the notes here for you, and let's get to it. First one is Yara Elixir. I don't like the original Yara. It didn't smell like much to me, but this is such a beautiful scent. Such a complex scent compared to Yara. Creamy vanilla caramel scent. And honestly, I hope they don't discontinue this one because it's gorgeous, and once I'm out, I'm definitely gonna repurchase. Next is Every Gourmand Lover perfume. Everyone knows this one. It's Eclair, again by Lattafa. This is a lactonic sweet caramel vanilla perfume. It's just so gorgeous. And this is a winter scent, by the way. I don't recommend this for the summer. It's just too much. You're gonna smell sour within seconds. In the heat, don't wear this. But for winter, you're gonna smell like a walk-in dessert. You're gonna smell like a caramel, I don't know, like a caramel cake or like a caramel vanilla milkshake. It's just beautiful. It has notes of vanilla, praline, musk, middle notes of honey, white flowers, top notes of caramel, milk, and sugar. You're just gonna smell like a walk-in caramel dessert. Another gourmand that I fell in love with about a month ago, and it is Nebras Elixir. This is the most beautiful vanilla that I have smelled in a long time. I also love the bottle. It's so rustic, sorry, not rusty. Wow, this is such a gorgeous perfume. It's just feminine. It's wow. I just love it. This is such a comforting scent. It just hugs me. It feels like a hug. It feels beautiful. It feels gorgeous. Also, for me, perfume is just not scent. It's just not what I smell. It's how it makes me feel. So this makes me feel beautiful, feminine, cozy. I just want to lay in bed, maybe make some hot cocoa to go with the vanilla in this. The base notes are vanilla, ambroxan, musk, sugarcane, heliotrope for middle notes, and top notes with milk candy and whipped cream. Such a beautiful perfume, such a great find. Love this one. Onto a crowd pleaser. This is Angham by Lattafa. I think most of these are Lattafa actually, except for one. This is a beautiful vanilla. I have Burberry Badee Intense, and this smells like a fresher, lighter version of that. Base notes are vanilla, amber, and musk. Middle notes are lavender, praline, cacao, and jasmine, and top notes are ginger, mandarin, and pink pepper. This is gorgeous. It's classy, it's elegant. Also, if you love compliments, you're gonna love this perfume because it's such a compliment getter. It smells expensive. I imagine one of those classy women in those, I don't know, suit, like in a white suit maybe, beautiful gold jewelry. I'm talking about sophisticated jewelry. Simple but gorgeous makeup, perfectly put hair. That's what I imagine when I smell this. Another soft, ugly bottle. Yes, I love this perfume so much, but I hate the bottle. Sorry. This is a vanilla white floral perfume. It's very soft. It's on the soft end, not really the spicy end. This just feels like a warm vanilla, but also a milky vanilla. I think the white florals are giving it a softer-ish vibe. It's not really too gourmand, and it's not floral. It's like a vanilla that I would imagine a girl in a summer dress wearing. I don't know what it is that I'm trying to explain to you. A perfume, depending on what someone is wearing, but I hope you understand. This is very soft, it's gorgeous. The base notes are vanilla, musk, and tonka bean. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine, incense, and manolial. I don't know what that is. It smells beautiful, it's soft, it's feminine. I think if you're not so into strong perfumes and strong vanillas and you just want a soft, not so out there, something that is more of a skin scent, that is not loud, I would go for this one. Now, before I move to my really strong perfumes, I'm gonna share a light floral with you. This is Fakhar Lattafa. This is a white floral that screams elegance. It smells like an exact copy of L'Interdit by Givenchy. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it smells expensive, feminine. Out there, it is loud, but it's floral and soft still. The base notes are vanilla, white musk, sandalwood, and ambroxan. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine, ylang, gardenia, rose, honeysuckle, peony. Top notes, fruits, lily, pomegranate. You get the gist. This is such a sweet perfume, and it's such an elegant perfume. It is loud. I feel like this is perfect for spring. You're just gonna walk in a garden, and then you're the garden. You're the walk-in garden. Gorgeous. I have 4 more to show you. First one is Elysia Vanilla by Fragrance World. This is such a spicy, boozy vanilla. It's not a simple vanilla, it's a very complex vanilla. It's very boozy. It's just, it's deep, you know, it's deep. You smell vanilla, but you smell a lot of other things. Okay, base notes are amber, amberwood, musk, and patchouli. I don't smell much of patchouli. Middle notes are brown sugar and tonka bean. Top notes are vanilla orchid and jasmine. But the moment you spray this, it's just gonna smell like brown sugar, some sort of rum. It smells like if vanilla were to be a drink with brown sugar. So imagine that. I have a strong one for summer. This is Badee al Oud, Honor and Glory. I love this perfume. It's just so unique. It's so strong, so people are gonna smell you. You're gonna walk by and people are gonna smell you walking by. Amazing projection, amazing sillage. It's just creamy, strong, spicy, tropical. For the notes, the base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, cashmeron, moss. Middle notes are cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and benzoin. And top notes are pineapple and crème brûlée. I think the notes speak for this perfume. If you want to be loud, but also very feminine and very tropical, I would go for this one. Wait. I'm trying to show you. Okay, there it is. I have 2 very strong perfumes, but very different. First one is Mayar Cherry Intense. This is a sweet cherry dipped in dark chocolate. I think I've said this more than once. It's the same description. Very intense, it's very fruity, it's very edible, you know, you just want to bite into it. Base notes are vanilla, amber, and patchouli. Middle notes are cherry jam and cacao. And top notes are strawberry and bergamot. Amazing perfume. Another loud one, by the way. Finally, I have Teriaq Intense. This is such a sexy, beast mode, strong vanilla. Not really vanilla, it has tonka bean. It kind of smells like vanilla to me. It just smells like an intense-ish vanilla. But yes, this smells gorgeous and it lasts for hours, if not days. On your clothes, it's gonna last for days. Your skin, I would say hours. It's just such a luxurious, spicy vanilla. It smells unique, honestly, and if you're looking for a very out there, again, everyone is gonna smell you, everyone is gonna know you were there. As soon as you walk in, people are smelling you, they know you're there. It's sexy, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. It has base notes of benzoin, tonka bean, amber, middle notes of plum liquor, cinnamon, and top notes of saffron and bergamot. So if you're into those notes and if you like something strong and intense, I would go for this one. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like these recommendations. If you have other recommendations and other perfumes I should try, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.